Hello and welcome to Pat's cooking class. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana pancake. Let's begin. So the ingredients I will be using: almond milk, oats, a banana, 1 egg, and honey. And I will mix it all in a cup. Okay, so first I need to take the egg and crack it in the cup. I need to take the egg, crack it into the cup. Hopefully no shells get inside. All right. Next, I need to peel the banana like this. So now I am peeling the banana. And then you can break off pieces of the banana and place it into the cup. Okay? So taking off pieces of the banana, placing it into the cup. Next, I need to mash the bananas. So I'll take a ladle, and next I need to mash the bananas to make it into a liquid like this. After I'm done mashing, it'll look more liquidy, like a liquid. See? Next, I will take almond milk and pour a little, just a little inside. You can call this batter now. You want the pancake batter to be thick. Okay? Next, I will add a little bit of honey to the batter. So after you add the honey, you need to stir it. Again, right now, I am stirring the batter. Okay? Next, you need to add oats to the batter. After I add the oats, I need to stir the batter. Stirring the batter. Okay, now the batter is finished, and now I need to cook it. So next, I'll take a small pan and I need to add, olive oil. So I pour the olive oil into the pan. Okay. Next, I need to pour the batter into the pan, like this. Next, I let it cook for maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And there you have it, a banana pancake. Bon appetit. That was yummy. Okay, now I have 2 questions for you. First question, what were the ingredients I used to make this recipe? What were the ingredients I used to make this recipe? Next question. Can you name 3 verbs I used while cooking? Can you tell me 3 verbs I used while cooking?